You look like a little princess in all of those pillows and blankets. How cute you are. See if I can come around this way. You getting the pillows? Yeah? Good morning, my angel. Good morning, Soph. What? What? Why are you jumping on me? No jumping. You're a good girl. Come up on the bed. Where do you do it? What? Say hi, Cricket. Hi. Woof. Woof. Woof.